May buwelta ang isang miyembro ng House Prosecution Panel sa pahayag ni Vice President Sara Duterte na gusto na niyang matuloy ang impeachment trial para magkaroon ng bloodbath. Giit ng kongresista, walang puwang sa pamahalaan ng sinumang ganyan magsalita. Ang detalye sa agenda report ni Zandro Ochona.
Patunay para sa ilang kongresista na hindi na nararapat sa pwesto si Vice President Sara Duterte matapos sabihin na gusto nitong matuloy ang kanyang impeachment trial para dumanak ang dugo. Giit ni House Prosecution Panel member at Iloilo Representative Lawrence Defensor, hindi magandang ehemplo ang inaasal ng pangalawang Pangulo.
Saying that she wants a bloodbath, that attitude has no place in government. It's a terrible example to the youth who are watching her. And many Filipinos look up to her, idolize her. That's a terrible example.
Nanindigan din ang kongresista na walang katotohanan ang paratang ni VP Sara na nahusgahan na siya bago pa man simulan ang impeachment trial.
I don't think there's any truth that she has been prejudged. There are prosecutors like me who are objective and who will be as fair as much as I can. The important thing is that the evidence can be presented clearly and properly, and we will leave that to the senators to decide whether she is guilty or not.
Binigyang diin din niya na isang political process ang impeachment, kaya posibleng hindi rin base sa ipepresenta nilang ebidensya ang magiging pagpapasya ng senator judges.
And I also understand that the senators can have their own leanings or their own affiliation because the impeachment trial is a purely political process. Do not expect the cold impartiality of a judge in a judicial proceeding. I expect that the senators will have their own biases and will stand by their own convictions, whether they agree with the vice president or not. We should accept that because this is not a judicial trial, and it's not even based on the weight of evidence that we will present.
Si ML Party List Representative-elect Laila De Lima na makikilahok bilang miyembro ng House Prosecution Team, tinawag na magaling sa brogadosyo, mindless arrogance, toxic rhetoric at violence ang mga Duterte. Hindi na anya dadanak ang dugo dahil iisa lang naman ang na-impeach na tao. Hindi raw palakasan ng laban kundi pagpapanagot dahil walang puwang ang kaguluhan, drama at palabas dahil contempt ang naghihintay sa defense team kung gagawin raw nila ito. Nasa Senado na ang bola para masimulan ang impeachment trial at ang tangi na lang magagawa ng House Prosecution Panel ay paghandaan ang kasong ipipresenta nila sa Senator Judges. Para sa agenda, Zandro Ochona, Billionaire News Channel.